Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of the 2026 Toyota RAV4, a complete game changer for the compact SUV market. As Toyota gears up for this next generation model, early indicators point to an evolutionary redesign that could see the RAV4 go fully hybrid, much like the transformation we witnessed with the Camry in recent years. The 2026 RAV4 is expected to carry forward the legacy of nearly 30 years of innovation and popularity. Rumors suggest that Toyota is planning to emphasize efficiency and technology even more. Imagine a vehicle that not only maintains the RAV4's renowned fuel economy, but elevates it thanks to a state-of-the-art all-hybrid powertrain. The current models already impress, with a mix of a robust four-cylinder engine paired with electric motors delivering smooth, responsive performance. With the new model, expect an upgrade that balances power with environmental consciousness. Design-wise, the 2026 version is rumored to feature a more rugged, truck-like exterior, yet still keeping that signature boxy charm we all love. Expect sleeker LED headlights, a distinctive wind-chill metallic paint option, and a glossy finish that accentuates its modern lines. On the inside, Toyota is upping the ante with a fully digital 12.3-inch cluster and an upgraded multimedia interface that supports both wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. These enhancements are set to make every drive feel premium and tech-savvy. Now, for those wondering about the release date and pricing, most whispers in the auto community hint at an early 2026 launch, with showrooms possibly welcoming the new RAV4 in the first quarter of the year. As for the price, while the current model starts in the low $30,000 range for hybrids, expect the 2026 RAV4 to come with a slight premium given the new tech and hybrid exclusive lineup. Predictions are pointing to a price range of roughly $33,000 to $50,000, catering to a variety of budgets and trim levels. In summary, the upcoming 2026 Toyota RAV4 promises not only to build on its legendary past, but to redefine what we expect from a compact hybrid SUV. Stay tuned for more updates as we follow Toyota's journey in reinventing one of America's favorite vehicles. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more auto insights.